गोलगप्पे वाले अंकल। Gattu, Chinky and Hari were chatting during the school lunch break.
Friends, do you know that a new Golgappa seller has started selling Golgappas outside the school, and his Golgappas are very tasty.
That's when Bunty also came.
Oh yes, I have also eaten their Golgappas and they are really very tasty. Really? But we haven't tasted them. Yes, Bunty. But are those Golgappas really tasty? Don't even ask, Chicky. That uncle's Golgappas are best. You guys are praising his Golgappas so much that I also want to taste them. Gattu, how about we also taste this Golgappas today? What do you say? No way, Chinky. Did you forget that Mummy instructed us not to eat junk food from such stalls because they are not healthy? Oh yes, Gattu, you are right. Mummy has told us not to eat such things. It's alright then. We will not eat Golgappa.
Then their classes resumed once again, and all the kids started studying. After school was over, Gattu, Chinky and Hari were going home together. And that is when they saw Bunty eating Golgappas.
Hey look, Bunty is over here. He is eating special Golgappas made by the uncle. Gattu, Chinky, let's try them. Uncle today has made them even more tasty. I can smell its delicious aroma. Please let's eat now. Sorry, both of us will not eat them. But if you want to eat them, you can go ahead. Okay, Gattu.
Then Hari and Bunty started enjoying the Golgappas.
Wow, it is so tasty. Uncle, please make it a bit more spicy.
Seeing them eating Golgappas, Gattu and Chinky also wanted to eat them.
Gattu, look at them. It looks like those Golgappas are really very tasty. And now I also want to eat Golgappas, Gattu. Yes, Chinky, I also want to eat them. But what can we do about it?
That is when the Golgappa seller saw Gattu and Chinky standing so sad.
What happened, dear? Why are you guys not eating? Don't you like to eat Golgappas?
It's not like that, uncle. We also love eating Golgappas, but our mother has instructed us not to eat junk food as it may affect our health negatively.
Why didn't you tell me this earlier? You know, my Golgappas are very healthy.
Gattu and Chinky were shocked to hear Uncle's words.
What? Healthy? But how is that possible? Yes, uncle. How can Golgappas be healthy?
Kids, these Golgappas that I am selling are made 100% from durum wheat, which is very healthy. And apart from that, I use clean water from a filter to prepare this tasty water. And that's not it. I also use fresh and organic vegetables from my own farm in this dish. So that's why my Golgappas are very healthy. Eating them will not affect your health negatively.
After hearing this, Gattu and Chinky were very happy. And then they also started eating Golgappas with Hari and Bunty.
You are right, Bunty. No one can make the Golgappas as tasty as this uncle makes. Yes, these are awesome.
After eating Golgappas, Gattu and Chinky returned home and told Mummy about the healthy Golgappas.
Oh wow, that's a very nice thing. But you should keep one thing in mind, that even though they are healthy, you should not eat them daily. Okay? Okay, Mummy.
Gattu and Chinky were so happy after eating Golgappas that they didn't pay much attention to what Mummy said and went to eat Golgappas the next day once again.
Come on, let's eat Golgappa again today. Okay, let's go. But friends, we should not eat Golgappas daily. Why is that? Uncle has assured us that his Golgappas are very healthy. Then what is the problem?
Then all the kids went to Uncle once again and started eating Golgappas. 1 week passed like this, and the kids kept eating Golgappas daily.
Kids, it looks like you guys like my Golgappas very much. Am I right?
Yes, Uncle, you are absolutely right. I wait to eat your Golgappas daily. Yes, Uncle, I can eat your Golgappas all day long.
Yes, the Golgappas that I make are indeed healthy. But they are still Golgappas.
But why is that, Uncle? Didn't you tell us that you make them in a healthy way?
But you can't replace other healthy food with them, right? Okay, now tell me, after eating them, which one of you eats a proper nutritious lunch at home?
Oh, mostly my stomach becomes full after eating so many Golgappas. I can't eat lunch after that. Yes, me too. Me too.
Do you guys understand? This is what I am trying to tell you. That if you guys keep eating so many Golgappas daily, then you won't be able to eat lunch properly, and that could be harmful to your health. So, you should eat Golgappas but within a limit. Do you understand?
Yes, uncle, you are right. I also understood what you're saying, uncle. Okay then, let's agree to eat Golgappas only twice a week, and on all other days we will eat healthy food. Yes, but on those 2 days we will eat lots of Golgappas.
All the kids along with the Golgappa seller started laughing after hearing Bunty's words.
And I will make very tasty Golgappas for you, so you can enjoy them.
Okay, uncle.
After that day, Gattu and Chinky would go to that uncle twice a week and enjoy Golgappas. In this way, they managed to keep themselves healthy and enjoy tasty Golgappas too. Mummy made idli dosa. Mummy and Papa were out and were going to return in the evening. After returning from school, Gattu Chinky went to their neighbor's home for lunch.
Chinky, I'm famished. I have no idea what auntie has prepared for lunch. Yes, Gattu. Mummy prepares tasty meals every day. This will be the first time we are eating at someone else's home.
Gattu Chinky reached the neighboring auntie's home while chatting and rang the bell.
Please come in, Gattu Chinky. I was waiting for you both only. Today I have prepared idli and dosa for you. Wow, auntie. I love idli very much. And I love dosa.
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
So let's enjoy. Go, wash your hands and I will serve the food.
Gattu Chinky was satisfied after eating idli and dosa.
Auntie, even mummy hasn't made such tasty idlis. And auntie, even the dosa is delicious. Really, kids? I am really happy that you like the food I have prepared. Here, please have some more.
Gattu Chinky ate idli and dosa till their stomachs were full. Then they returned home after saying thank you. In the evening, Mummy Papa returned home.
Mummy, do you know? Today auntie made idli and dosa for us. And mummy, the food she made was really delicious. Really, it was very satisfying. That's nice, kids. I'm glad to know that you like the food so much.
So kids, you guys ate a lot, didn't you?
Of course, Papa. Gattu ate 5 idlis.
Everyone laughed at Chinky's information. Next day, Gattu Chinky woke up in the morning and saw that Mummy had made idli and dosa for breakfast.
What's this, Mummy? You also made idli and dosa for us. Yes, kids. You liked idli and dosa that auntie made yesterday, so I thought I should also try today. Wow, Mummy, this is a very nice idea. Okay, guys, hurry up and brush your teeth, and I will serve breakfast for you.
Gattu and Chinky took their seats at the dining table and ate breakfast. But they found that this idli and dosa were not as tasty as the one auntie prepared. But they didn't want to upset Mummy.
Wow, Mummy, this idli is also very tasty. Yes, Mummy. And dosa is delicious too.
But Mummy looked at Gattu Chinky's face and knew everything. She understood that Gattu Chinky didn't like the food and were not telling the truth.
Okay, fine. I think now you should get ready for school.
After that, Mummy started thinking about what was lacking in her recipe and why her food was not as good as Auntie's food. After thinking a lot, she went to Auntie's home.
Hello, dear. How are you? Please come in. I have come here for a very important thing. Okay, please tell me. I wanted to ask you for idli and dosa's recipe. Ever since Gattu and Chinky ate idli and dosa at your house, they haven't stopped praising it. In fact, I also made idli and dosa for them, but it was clear that they didn't like it that much. Oh, that happened because I used some special spices in my idli dosa. Come, let me show you how to do it.
Then Auntie taught Mummy how to make idli dosa like her. And then Mummy returned home.
Mummy, where were you? Not far, Gattu dear. I have surprise for both of you. You will get it in the morning. Wow, Mummy, I love surprises very much. I know, kids, but you will have to wait till morning.
Then everyone went to sleep. And in the morning, Mummy prepared idli and dosa according to Auntie's recipe. After a while, the whole house was filled with the aroma of idli and dosa.
Wow, Mummy, from where this delicious smell is coming? Chinky, I think this delicious smell is familiar somehow. Yes, Gattu, me too. Children, today also I have prepared idli and dosa. But this time I have followed the recipe from Auntie and prepared according to it. Come on, taste it and tell me how is it.
Gattu and Chinky were excited and ate idli and dosa.
Wow, Mummy, this is even better than the one Auntie made. He is right, Mummy. It's really very delicious. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.